Let's make a mini house with water tank outside. First, we set the foundation with tiny columns, carefully pouring concrete to make them strong. Next, the walls rise as we lay miniature bricks one by one. On the second floor, steel rods are placed, and the slab is poured to hold everything above. Every wall is plastered smooth, even the tiny water tank on outside. Finally, a fresh coat of paint brings the miniature home to life, complete and beautiful.